Hey guys, welcome back. I'm speaking to you live directly to my new $27 dual channel dash cam. And I've got the front main channel mounted on the windshield right here in the traditional location. And instead of mounting the rear camera on the rear window looking backwards, I mounted it on a bracket on a ball mount. And that's so I can swivel the camera 360 degrees around the passenger compartment to capture a traffic stop, whether it be on the driver's side or on the passenger side. So I thought that would be pretty neat project.
But wait, there's more. I figured I better show what this thing looks like. So this black cube is the camera, and then this thing is the ball mount, and then this is the metal bracket, and unfortunately you get to look at a wire, but that's so you can swivel this thing around any which way you want. And I'll give you a closer look and then I'll turn the dome light off. And as an added bonus, you can turn the dash cam display to only display the rear camera, so you can see what you're swiveling the camera at when you're moving it around. Alright, that's pretty much it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.